Good morning, friends. I hope everyone had a good weekend. Um, we we had a good start on the Friday, right? There was a trade that we took. In fact, I personally took a CE followed by PP. Was actually posted in all the forums, and people made fantastic profit. I said it will be a sell on rise, but you have to wait and check the rise, right? I said don't sell blindly today, just on Friday, because market after falling for 3 days, right, could actually turn back. Now, let's look at the VIX first, right? I said VIX has to climb about 12. We saw the VIX somewhere between trading between 11 to 10. Personally, right, it's a retest. I I now feel that the VIX can actually take a turn from here and take out the levels of 12.23. We'll observe it today and see if the VIX is actually rising or not. I personally feel VIX may rise. Necessarily, market may not fall with the rise in VIX, guys. Remember, many people are trying to correlate VIX to the rise and fall in market. Right now, VIX are at very low levels. VIX is nothing but volatility. So you need at near the events, right? It tends to rise, or if there is a panic in the market, VIX tends to rise. Otherwise, it's a normal profit booking. The fall which has been happening, right, is normal profit booking after a 5,000, 7,000 point rally. There the fall will happen and the VIX may not rise. So just do not try to correlate everything with VIX there. VIX is just one of the indicators that we use to kind of understand if our quantity that we have taken is correct or not, right? Now we'll get on to the charts. What do we have for today? So if you see Bank Nifty, right, 3 days of fall, 45,761 to 44,231, right? If you look at it, it's a 1,500 point fall. Market digested some of that fall. The candle has which has formed is very interesting. It's a 600 point candle. It's an inside candle, right? It's a doji. It's an inside candle. Now here, if I look at it, right, this is formed at a very interesting stage, right? Ideally, I would have preferred for it to form somewhere over here. I was expecting it to form somewhere over here. It actually dipped down on Thursday. It went below this level, and from there, it has actually given a decent pushback. So, what are the levels that I am looking at? The levels that I am looking at, right? And let's see if Fibonacci retracement. What is a retracement here? Okay, till it closes above 45,060, right? Bank Nifty may not be bullish, right? From here, I personally feel market may do some time pass because this is a decent fall. Now here market, if market has to go up, will take this form, right? It will consolidate between 45,060 to 44,616 in this 400 point range, right? It could consolidate for the next 2-3 days and then try to break out, right? So today, personally, on Monday, do I expect a big, see again, we were not expecting a big movement on Wednesday and Thursday. Market surprised us. Friday, after this big movement, we were expecting volatility. It has done it, right? I personally feel today now it will start doing volatility contraction, right? So it will go up, down, then become sideways for the next 2 days. Probably after expiry, it will try to take up a direction, right? The way the trend has emerged and the way the news are coming, probably it can do. So I'll just delete this. It can probably consolidate and then break down to test these levels, right? Now, these are probabilities, right? If it has to go up, can consolidate like this, as in it can make a W and then go up. But these are probabilities. We'll wait and see how the market is behaving. Components right now are not saying anything, but these are the two probabilities that we are seeing. So for tomorrow, for today, right, how do I take a trade in 15 minutes, right? Let's take a look at this. Now, for me to go long, very simple. I will take a long once these levels are taken out, right? So for me, I'm looking at a consolidation in the first 15 to 30 minutes and then a move towards 45,240 to 45,340, right? So it's a narrow range. It's a range of 140 to 150 points above this level. Movement down will be tricky to catch. Again, I am looking at a move like this, right, with a target of 44,400. So I may want to short it below 44,621. Personally, I am seeing a difficult day, right? If market opens flat, it will be very difficult to gauge which direction it can take, because flat opening would mean it can do breakdown, retest and breakdown, or consolidation and breakout, right? So don't be in a rush to take a trade in the first half. Now, a good shot will only emerge below this level if market actually opens. Now, gap down opening, right, will make it very tricky. A gap down opening in the range of 44,480 to 380. If it forms a bull, be looking at long for the targets of 44,700 and 44,800. Gap up opening, I would be looking at shorting. My levels of shorting gap ups are here. So any candles which come here, right, and then it goes up, I would be looking at shorting, right? Bullish, bearish candle around 45,050 80. Market opens gap up, I will be looking at shorting in the market. So spot is clearly saying you will have to be ready for all three scenarios. Component chart, again, if you see HDFC created a range, is breaking out, but now HDFC has a resistance near 1658. Um, Kotak Bank again touched the resistance and is falling, but Kotak has a support at 1830. So if you see, right, Kotak can become painful. So between 1830 1845 it could consolidate. Same is the case with ICICI. Around 976 it has a resistance now. 962 it has a support. Axis Bank, the same thing. Around, it's again trading near the resistance zones between 958 and 957. It has a resistance. Around, there is a trend line support here, right? So components are also saying that there could be some round of consolidation. SBI after results has fallen good, and IndusInd is actually trading in a range, but it's also, so components are saying there could be some bearishness in the market after the opening, right? We just need to ensure that HDFC doesn't close above 1670. There the things could change. So let's look at the option charts. So for me, right, 44,800C should not open below 225, but should try to open somewhere between 260 to 300, right? Consolidate and then take out these levels. I am seeing a good movement there. Put side, again, here the moves would be restricted around 412 and 493, right? So the move upside is capped even in the option chart, but the put chart, right, is looking very interesting here. So if you see, after this consolidation went up, came down again, took a support at the right place, right? So above, see, above, it has to open near 260, trade between 260 to 300 and then take out these levels, right? I am immediately looking at targets of 340, 425 and 512, right? This particular option is looking very interesting. 44,900p, it's not an institutional strike, but actually if this is able to hold on to these levels of 250 and 220, you would see a good upside movement, right? So that's the story on bank nifty. Where are we on Nifty? Nifty, I have been saying do not short, do not short, do not short, because Nifty chart, if you see, right, even after the 3-day fall, Nifty closing was better than Bank Nifty. So for Nifty above 19,550, right, I'm looking at a long for the targets of 19,630, right? Nifty is looking better, but now personally I feel Nifty can hit this trend line and then again fall, right? So from here it will go right up to 19,677 and then fall. Nifty is, the way the chart structure is created, right, Nifty could retest these targets of 18,900, 18,700, right? Nifty's chart structure is saying that there is some amount of profit booking which can happen there. FinNifty, I'll look at components of Nifty separately. FinNifty chart is same like Bank Nifty. I personally would avoid trading this. The wick is too big here. FinNifty will actually consolidate and hit your stop losses both ends. For people who want to short FinNifty, right, try to short below 19,950 for the targets of 19,860 and 19,786. For going long, I think in FinNifty you need a closing above 20,040 in 15 minutes to go long. So FinNifty can confuse. Again, we have an expiry tomorrow, so the traders will try to create the positions. It's an important level of 20,000 where it is consolidating. Nifty components, right? If you see, um, Nifty IT is gradually showing some signs of recovery. Now, after the opening move, it was flat. So for tomorrow, right, Nifty IT above 30,550 again could rocket, but it should not close below 30,000 280, right? So watch out for the components in Nifty. Nifty is showing some sign of recovery. Bank Nifty is in between, right? You will have to wait tomorrow and see if both come in sync and then take a long side of trade. Otherwise, we may see the way the chart structure is there, we may see some bit of consolidation, volatility, contraction, and a fall, right? But the way chart structure is, the way the entire setup is, I feel today could be a day where Bank Nifty specifically, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty could be very difficult to trade. So you may have a movement, a good impulse leg in 5, 10, 15-minute candles, then a consolidation, then a big move downwards, right? So market could actually do this play. I would personally prefer to trade with less quantity. And if you have made profit, sit back and observe the market rather than taking a trade. I would approach it in a very cautious manner today because market is closing at a very crucial. The closing was not good in Bank Nifty was good, but it's in between right now. So I want to just wait and watch and see. Component chart are showing bearishness, spot chart is confused, option chart is showing bearishness. So I need everything aligned, and Nifty and Bank Nifty are not aligned. So we'll wait for both to get in sync and then see, right? There are no global cues for now. We'll wait and watch and try to take less trades but more measured trades. So friends, that's it. I hope everyone has had a great weekend. For subscribers who have not shared subscribed to our channel, please guys subscribe to both the Telegram and YouTube channel and share it with your friends and family members if you find the content to be useful. We do keep posting a lot of content on our channel which will help you improve your analysis. So friends, that's it from us. Hope everyone enjoys the analysis video and is able to plan their trades. Thank you guys.